PLRZ is showing a very huge amount of strength within a longer term bearish trend. Okay, so the stock is equally trending and it's been whipping around like it's auditioning for a volatility index with sharp intraday swings and a couple of halts that caught the trading and investing community's attention. Traders are zooming in on both the technical chaos and a fresh fundamental catalyst. The company just confirmed the successful completion of a major manufacturing upscaling milestone for its PL-14 nasal spray platform. This upscaling step is being read as a legit validation of PL-14's path toward large-scale production, a prerequisite for upcoming clinical trial material. Bulls argue this de-risks the pipeline and could set the table for a more meaningful catalyst if clinical timelines or partnerships get announced. At the same time, they are all split. People are all split. Traders are split. Some are laser focused on the short interest setup and the possibility of a short squeeze if liquidity thins out. Others are side eyeing the capital structure and debating whether the company might use the momentum to raise funds, adding dilution risk to the mix. The combination of real world progress, short term volatility, and speculation about what's next is keeping the stock front and center of traders' dashboard as things stand right now. Still adding more gains. You can see the huge volume we are looking at right now. We are looking at more than 72%, so 72 times. Yeah, yeah, something like that. More than 72 times its average volume. Yeah. Okay, volatility has historically has a very high volatility, not a high beta stock at all. Intraday high 8.36 dollars. Okay, let's see what we have here. This is the daily chart. It's not hasn't been around that long, so there are no extrapolations. But we have its underlying trend. It's bearish, so that's the stock is showing a lot of weakness within that bearish trend. So um, pullback. Downward projection is 4.48. There are further upper projections. Okay, some of them are just slightly above 8.36, 8.3. Yeah, some of them we have here 9.06, 10.18, 10.88. Okay, let's have a look at its 4 hour chart and see what's going on. Here, the algos are saying that it might continue to, yeah, it might maintain the strength up till the pre-market session of today, and after that, we are looking at the prospects of a pullback going all the way towards the close of Friday's trading session. And then in the post-market session of that day, you might resume the uptrend. The 40 period moving average is rising to catch any possible dip, and can we see? Okay, but in any case, as things stand right now, the 10 period moving average is rising at a pace of 112, 117.07, 117 points, 115.16 points per every 4 hour. Yeah, so that is an immense amount of strength it has shown. Okay. However, we have a second derivative, a negative second derivative on its price pressure momentum. Yeah, buying pace is very high, but it is so poor now relative to what it was before. So yeah, it has dampened severely. Okay, well, is it? I think it's a case of it's actually improving, as a matter of fact, because it was severely bearish before. So it's all right. I have to, yeah, I withdraw that. So buying pace is improving. Yeah, it's just that the stock was severely bearish before. So all of those, the remnants of that negativity, still very much what's still been. It's still very much prevalent on the data. The algos are saying that momentum is not going to be there at all. It's not, even if it rises, it's not going to come anywhere close to what happened today. Yeah, and there's a good chance the stock might, yeah, when it contracts, by tomorrow, it's likely to catch up with its 10-period moving average. That moving average I told you is rising so fast, so it might catch up with it by tomorrow, made by the close of tomorrow's trading session. No guarantee that that will be the case at all. Okay, so yeah, that's what's going on right now. I think it might be a low float stock, PLRZ. It might be a low float stock because it's been halted like how many times? Severally today, severally. Short interest is not a problem. Low floats, yeah, but not short interest. I mean, there might be something else, but what we have here is not saying anything with regard to any tiny float. Yeah, so that's what's going on right now. Let's see how they're trading the stock. Yes, quite liquid. Okay, yeah, quite liquid. Yes, and quite volatile as well. People are they discovering prices? They're discovering prices. Yeah, yeah, they're discovering prices. Yeah, they are. Yeah. Okay. See what you make of PLRZ, and thank you very much for watching this video.